Hi, I'm Diane Bloom with Coldwell Banker Burnett, and I'm standing in front of a listing of mine at 1876 Vogel Farm Trail in beautiful Settlers Ridge, Eden Prairie. Please join me and take a look inside the house at all the features that this gorgeous home has to offer. Right when you come into the house, it gives you a hint of how wonderfully open this whole home is, with this two-story foyer and all of the space that we've got that leads into the rest of the home. Behind me is the living room, but I'd like to focus right now on this beautiful dining room. Beautiful window treatments, an area for a buffet, as well as lots of space in order to accommodate your own table. You could very easily seat 12, 16 people in this dining room. As we leave the dining room, we walk into this wonderful kitchen, and as you can notice, we've got high-end, beautiful stainless steel appliances, big center island, a lot of people can sit around. So when you're in the kitchen cooking, you can mingle, have a chance to talk with people that are in the family room. Here we are in the lower level walkout, full of big windows for lots of light. The owners had this area custom finished by Lisi Construction, one of the top Twin Cities basement finishers, and you'll see they had a lot of fun finishing this lower level. They even put in a little hidden room, great for kids to play. Also, they had it lined with cedar, so you can also store some of your out-of-season clothes. I'm sitting at the bar in the lower level. What an incredible bar this is. Totally equipped. Granite, dishwasher, full-size refrigerator and freezer, microwave, sink, everything that you would need to entertain. What a fabulous place to come, watch a game, watch a movie. Can you imagine having a Super Bowl party down here? How much fun would that be? The second floor has 4 very spacious bedrooms.